Yes.
We're going to change this fridge filter for the fresh water, so as we get nice clean water. First we have to do is pull the fridge out. Yeah. Nice side.
ก่อนอื่น
There's
Yeah.
a tap at the back here, cuts the water off. See, this tap. You turn this to turn the water off. Then to the old filter, and these little blue clips which stop the pipes coming out. This is, see this? You press this in, and it loosens the pipe.
Right.
Take this off here. Take the blue clip out again.
Oh.
Yeah. Press that in. Pipes off. That's the old filter. Put that in the sink. So, oh, you can't go.
No.
Right. It has an arrow on this for the flow of water. See that? The flow. So the water's coming in that way, down here. So the arrow's pointing there to go into the fridge. Right. You need to shove this in as far as it goes, and then just pull that collar out and push the blue clip to hold it. That locks it so the pipe doesn't come out. This side, push it in, pull the collar up, put the clip in. And then clip it back on the fridge. Now we're going to test it, see if it's leaking. I'll turn the water back on. I'm going to turn the water on now to make sure this is not leaking. Water's on. We check round these. There's no water there. And this seems okay. But what we'll do now is run some water. It's advisable before you push the fridge back is to clean the back, because it probably doesn't get clean for a long time. Now I'm going to draw some water off on here for it to run through the filter. There'll be air in it, you see, as well. Now, I'll put this on the plants outside. Before you use, it's advisable to drain some water from the fridge to fill the filter up, get any air locked out, and the first bit nobody's going to drink anyway.